Y is for young ones. A for alligator. Alligator. B for bear. Bear. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for flamingo. Flamingo. G for giraffe. Giraffe. H for hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. I for iguana. Iguana. J for jaguar. Jaguar. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for narwhal. Narwhal. O for owl. Owl. P for penguin. Penguin. Q for quail. Quail. R for rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. S for snake. Snake. T for turtle. Turtle. U for unicorn. Unicorn. V for vulture. Vulture. W for whale. Whale. X for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra. Please subscribe.